So see here, we will be studying simple interest. Okay, so simple interest is very simple, isn't it? That is why it is simple interest. Okay now, so here how do we calculate simple interest? That is PTR by 100. What you have to remember? PTR by 100. What is P, what is T, what is R? Let us see here. So here simple interest is PTR by how much? 100. So that means P means principal. So simple interest means you borrow some money, you take some money, and for that no one will give free money, you have to take it at interest. So that interest is what? Simple interest, right? So you will take for 100 rupees, I will give 1 rupee for 1 month, or 10% in the banks and all, they will give 10% interest rate, 12% interest rate. That is the simple interest, because in the bank and all they will not give free money. Why they will give free? So that is the interest. That interest is what we say as rate of interest. R is what? Rate of interest. It will be like 10%, 20%, 30%, like that. Okay, so example, it is percentage, it will be rate of interest will be percentage per year, 10% per year, or per month 1% per month, like that. P means principal. P means what? Principal means how much money you have taken, right? How much money you have taken? 10,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees, 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees. How much you have taken? Sum, total sum, how much you have taken? That is money. T means time. How much year? Time, that is how many years you have taken for. That is how many years you have taken. 1 year you have taken, 2 years, that is the time, right? So simple interest, I will tell, simple interest means the extra money you have to give. Extra money, what you have to give? The interest. So that will be the interest. Okay, that is the interest. And then R means rate at which what you take. Rate will be 10%, 20%, 12%, like that. And P means principal. How much money you have taken? Principal means the total money you have taken. Okay na? And then T means time. How many years? It can be months, years, and all. Okay, rate of interest is 12% per annum. Per annum means year. Annum means year. Okay, so time will be 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, like that. So this rate of interest and time should be same unit. So if it is year, it should be year. If it is days, it should be days. If it is months, it should be months. Both rate of interest and time should be same unit. What it should be? Same unit. Okay na? Understand? So then you just have to do calculations. How did 100 come? That is rate. R is R percent, right? R percent, how do we write? R divided by, that is percentage means we write divided by 100. So it comes as divided by 100. So what you have to remember? That is PTR by 100. This will be the interest. So you have to give interest with your money, how much you have taken. If you have taken 10,000 rupees and your simple interest comes out to be 1,000 rupees. So total how much money you have to give? 10,000 plus 1,000. Total will be 11,000 rupees you have to return. That is the amount, total amount. Simple interest plus principal. Principal is the money you have taken, and the I is the interest. How much interest it has become? Simple interest. If you add that, you will get the total money. That is the 11,000 you have to return with interest, right? The money 10,000 rupees and interest 1,000 rupees. Total 11,000 rupees. Like that. Understood everyone? Yes? Any doubt here? Tell me. Okay na? So here this is taking as loan. This is in the bank, you may have taken loan, your father may have taken, mother may have taken gold loan, a car loan, taking loan. What they will give? They will give rate of interest 10%, 12%, right? and then they will charge the money EMI. You may have heard of EMI, that is like that. Okay, now? Okay, let's go to the one we will solve question. Here Rama borrowed 5 lakh rupees at 10% per annum. Annum means year. 1 year, how much rate of interest? 10%. Find the total amount to be paid after 3 years. You have to find the total amount. Total amount means that is this total 5 lakh. With that, how much? With that, the interest we have to find. So how much will be the interest? How do we find the interest? Let us see here. Borrowed 5 lakh rupees. She has taken loan of how much? 5 lakh. So that is the principal. What it is? It is the principal. So simple interest, how do we find? PTR by 100, right? Yes. So PTR by 100 means we have to find what? Yes. So how do we find the interest? PTR by 100. So here principal is how much? 5 lakh rupees. Principal is how much? 5 lakh rupees. Understand? Here this borrowed sum total means principal. It is principal. So 5 lakhs is the principal. 10%. I told percentage means rate of interest. 10% per annum. Okay na? Per annum means per year. Okay na? Next is time. Time is how much? 3 years. How many years? 3 years. Okay na? So here how do we find interest now? Interest is P is how much? 5 lakh. You write 5 lakh here. Okay na? 5 lakh into time is 3 into rate of interest R is how much? 10 divided by how much? 100. This is how you have to substitute all the values. This is P, 5 lakh, right? And then next T is how much? T is 3, right? Next R is how much? 10. You just write in that place and now you calculate. So 2 zeros, here 1 0, here 1 0, here 1 0, here 1 0, cancel. So what is remaining? 50,000 into 3. 50,000 into 3 will be how much? Yes? 1 lakh 50,000. Should I write directly? 50,000 into 3 will be how much? 1 lakh 50,000. 1 lakh 50,000. So this is the interest for how many years? 3 years. Now they are asking find the total amount she has to give. So amount how much it will be? Principal plus interest. Principal plus interest. Principal is how much? 5 lakh rupees, right? And with that interest how much? 1 lakh 10,000 plus how much? 1 lakh 50,000. 1 lakh 50,000. It will be how much? 5 lakh plus 1 lakh 50,000. 6 lakh.
6 lakh 50,000.
She has to give total how much money? 6 lakh 50,000 rupees. Understood? This is how you have to do. Very easy. Principal is given, rate of interest is given, time is given. Then you find the interest first, right? So that is the simple interest. SI. Interest or simple interest, both are same. Then total amount, principal plus interest. So total amount she has to give 6 lakh 50,000. Understand? This is how you have to do. Okay now? Do it. Write it down. So listen here. So we'll solve the questions now. Okay. So here if you see what that is the first question. First question is very easy, isn't it? Yes, directly you have to find the answer. Yes. So first question, if you see what is the first question, that is they have asked, yes, so simple interest on 600 for how many years? 2 years. So at 10% per annum rate of interest, right? So here same, principal is 600 rupees, time is 2 years, rate of interest is 10% per annum. So PTR 100, you substitute and find the answer, you will get 120. Will you do it? Yes? This will be homework, okay na?
Yes, sir.
Just now we did. Okay?
Sir, what's
This is very easy. This will be homework, okay? Okay, do it. Now let's go to the next question, second question. Second question is also same. Just what? That is they have asked what? Yes? Tell me. Same thing. Interest. Same thing. So first as like that. Second is also what? Same only. Okay na? so you have to do homework. Understand? Yes. So that is also same. What is the simple interest they have asked? Use the formula PTR by 100 and you will get the answer. So homework. So the principal is how much? 2500. Time is for how many years? 6 years. Rate of interest is 5% per annum. PA means per annum. Here I have written PA, right? PA means per annum. Annum means year. Okay na? So this will also be homework. Will you do, everyone? Yes?
Sir, I already
Okay.
written. I got the answer, sir.
Okay, good. So that is the answer, option C. Okay na? Now let us do next question, third question. So third question is very easy. Okay na? So if you see here, what is the answer here? That is, the question is what?
Sir, it is different on.
Ah, I will do it. Okay, don't worry. I will do it. Okay. So here, how do we do this? That is, we know simple interest we have to find. So what is given? Yes. So if you see the question, so interest on 2800 for time 2.5 year at 15% per annum equals to, they are asking to find the interest. So we know the time 2.5 years. Okay, so here if you see, that is 2.5 means what will be the time? 2.5. 2.5 means we can take it as 2.5, or 2.5 means it is how much? Yes, principal is 2800 rupees, time is 2.5. 2.5 means we can take it as 2.5 years, or you change it. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 by 2 years. Both, any of it you can take. Whichever is easy for you, you can take it. And rate of interest is 15% per annum, PA. Okay now? So here you substitute. Principal is how much? 2800 into time is how much now? 5 by 2. We'll take 5 by 2. 5 by 2. Rate of interest is how much? Into R is 15%. Divided by how much? 100. This will be the equation. Now let us solve it. Yes. So if you cancel the 2 zeros, 2 zeros. 2 how many is? You cancel with 2 now. Yes. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So what is remaining here? 14 into 5 into 15. 14 5s are how much? 17 to 15. What will be the answer? 17 5s are 105 0. So interest will be 1050. Answer. Understand? Okay. This is the very easy question. Okay. Let's go to the next question. That is what? Fourth question. Right? So fourth question is very easy. Just what? I will explain here only. Okay. So here, what is the question here? If you see question, so here what is the question? The question is interest on 12,000 at how much rate? 7.5% for 1.5 years. 1.5 years means how much time? 3 by 2 years, right? If you change it to improper fraction, 1 2s are 2, 2 plus 1 is how much? 3. 3 by 2 will come answer, right? You know already how to convert that. So 3 by 2 answer. So here PTR by 100 you just substitute. Principal is how much? Principal is 12,000. Time is 3 by 2. 3 divided by 2. Rate of interest is 7.5%. So divided by 100. Time is how much? 3 by 2, right? So it has come 3 by 2. Okay? Good. Now cancel it. So here you cancel the zeros first. 2 zeros cancelled. Okay? So next after that you cancel with 2 now. 2 how many is? 120 here. 2 60s are 120. Yes. So what is remaining here? Here 60 into next 3 into 7.5. Right? Yes. So whatever there in the top, this 3 you have to multiply. 60 into 3 into 7.5 if you multiply, how much answer you will get? Yes. That is 60 means 32 za. So here it will be easy to multiply. 7.5 into 2. double of 7 and half. 7 and half double will be 15. Right? So it got 15 answer. So here what will be remaining? This 30 here, 30 into 3 into 15. Okay now? Yes? So that is how. 33 is a 90, 90 into 15. 15 9 is a 135, 0 as it is. 135 means that is 1350 will be the answer. Got it everyone? Yes? Okay. This is how you have to do. Write it down. Yes. So let us solve fifth question now. Okay. So what is the simple interest on what? That is 6800 at 16 per and 2 by 3% per annum for 9 months. So we know simple interest. How do we find? PTR by 100. Here principal is how much? 6800 rupees. Rate of interest is 16 and 2 by 3. Change it into improper fraction. 3 16s are 16 3s how much? 48. 48 plus 2, 50 by 3%. Okay. Next time is 9 months. So 9 months. We know here it is in per annum, per year. So I told you both rate of interest and time should be in same unit. So 9 months means how many years? In 1 year 12 months will be there. Now it will become year, right? So 9 divided by 12 year. So it will be how much now? 9 divided by 12 means you divide with 3. 3 is a 9, 3 4 is a 12. We divided with 3. So next 3 divided by 4 of year. Okay? 3 divided by 4 year. Right? So it became year now, both same. So here you substitute here, principal is how much? Principal is 6800 into time is how much? That is 3 by 4 year into rate of interest is how much? Yes, 50 by 3 year into 100 we have to do, right? So divided by 100 you do. Anywhere you can do it. Okay na? So what we have to do now? We just have to do the cancellation divided by 100. Okay na? So cancellation you do it, you will get the answer. Okay? So let's do the cancellation here. So here two zeros cancel. Okay? Divide with 4. Here next this 3 cancel, right? This 3 cancel. Next after that you divide with 4. 4 ones are 4, how many is? Yes? 17 fours are 68. Directly I am doing 17. Yes. So 17 into how much is remaining? 17 into 50. 17 15s are 17 5s are 85. So 850 will be the answer. What is the interest? 850 is the interest. This is how you have to do. Got it? So now let us go to the sixth question. So here it is very easy question. Just the timing is given in days. So for that you should remember one thing. What you have to remember is 73 table. What you should remember? 73 table. Why 73 table? Because in the 73 table 365 will come. Okay now? So 73 ones are 73, 73 twos are 146, 73 threes are 219, 73 fours are how much? 292, 73 fives is how much? 365. Okay, because it is given in days, right? So the question is what? The simple interest on 12,500 at 7% per annum for 146 days. Great. So this is the question. So now here in simple interest, how do we find? We find using PTR by 100. So here principal is 12,500, rate of interest is how much? 7%, and time is 365 days. 146 days. So 146 means in a year it will be divided by 365. 1 year means 365 days, right? So divide by 365. Now cancel with 73. I told, right? Remember this, 73. So if you cancel with 73 5s are how much? 365. And then how much next? 73 2s are 146. So 2s will come here, right? So what will come? 2 by 5 year. 2 by 5 year will be the time. Now you substitute here. Principal is 12,500. Time is 2 by 5. Rate of interest is 7. You substituted. So you will get how much? Cancel that and you will get the answer. What you will get? You will get the answer. Understand? So that is, if you just cancel it. Okay. So here 5, 2 by 5, here 5 is there, right? For the, from that, so 5, you cancel the zeros first. These two zeros cancel. Okay. So here what will be remaining? 12,500, right? 125 will be remaining. From 5 you cancel this 5 and 125. So 25 5s are 125. So how much it will come? That is how much answer? Yes, 25. So what is remaining? You have to multiply that. Okay. So if you multiply that, what answer you will get? Yes. So here 25 into 2 into 7, right? 25 into 2 into 7. 25 2s are 50 here. 57s are 350 answer. Got it everyone? Yes. Will everyone be able to do like this? Easy question, isn't it? Okay. Just what you have to remember, rate of interest and time should be in the same. So this table 73 table you have to remember, because 365 factor is 73. Got it? Okay, good. So now let's go to the 7th question. So here, what is the question here? It is very easy. Okay. So if you see, what will be the simple interest on 4,000 from 1st of March to what? Yes. 1st of March to 17 December 2020. Okay. So here if you see, simple interest on 4,000 from 1st of March to 17th December 2020 at 5% per annum rate of interest. Okay. So yes. So how many days total? If you see here, yes, if you see here, principal is 4,000 rupees. Time is how much? 1st March to 17th December. So here we know 2020 March, then April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So till that. So March has 31 days. Then after that, after March, April is 30 days, right? So then 31 days, you add all the days, right? It will be how many days total? Then after that, December is there, right? Only 17 days. So 17 days in December you have to take only. Okay. That is 17 December, isn't it? So 17 days only we have to take. Okay. So it will be how many days total? 292 days. 292 days means, I told you. Yes. So that is 73 table. 73 how many is 292? Yes. Yes. 73 4s are, I told it, right? 73 4s are. So here you write it in PTR by 100. So principal is how much? Principal is 4,000. Time is, just take it as 292 divided by 365 I have taken and divided it here. Okay. So 73 I have divided it. 73 4s are and 73 5s is 365. Okay na? So if you cancel that, then cancel the 5 and you will get the answer as 40 into 4, 160 is the interest. Understand? Yes?
Sir.
Okay. Yes. Now 8th question, right? It is very simple. What you have to do? Let us see now. So here what is the 8th question here? What? The question is, a sum of money invested at 10% per annum, right? And simple interest yields an interest of 240. Here interest is given. Okay na? So in 2 years, find the sum of money invested. Sum of money invested means principal we have to find. Okay na? So here let us see. Rate of interest is 10% per annum given. Simple interest of 240 rupees. Interest is given here 240 rupees. And 2 years means time is given 2 years, right? This 2 years. Okay. So time is 2 years. So here what we have to find? Sum of money invested means principal we have to find it. Got it? So we know simple interest is PTR by 100. If you cross multiply and you want to find principal, it will come this side and P will stay there and RT will be coming down, right? right? Isn't it? RT will come down. So simple interest into 100 divided by TR we have to do. So how to find this formula? See here, PTR is there, right? So if you want to find P, you have to divide with TR. Simple interest into 100 divided by TR. If you want to find P, if it is PTR, and if you want to find T, T is equal to simple interest into 100 divided by what is remaining, PR. You have to divide with PR. If you want to find PTR, here R is equals to simple interest into 100 divided by what we have to do, divide with PT. Okay, this is what you have to remember. Now principal will be simple interest into 100 divided by TR. You have to remember this. Okay, now simple interest is given 240 into rate 100 divided by time is how much? T is here 2 years, and rate of interest is how much? Into 10. If you simplify, you will get the answer, right? So see here, here 1 0, here 1 0 cancel. 2 how many is 24? 2 12s are 24. So what is remaining? 12 into here 100, this 100, right? So 12 into 100 will be 1200 rupees. So that is principal is how much? 1200. So option is option A. Understand? So how to do? Remember all these three. Principal if you want to find, how do we do? That is simple interest on 100 divided by TR. How do we find the time? Yes, divide with PR. Then how do we find the rate of interest? Divide with PT. Got it? Write it down and remember these formulas. Understand? So here next 9th question is very easy. Same as this 8th question. What? Same as question number 8. Okay na? So here find the sum of money. Principal we have to find same way. So this will be what? Homework for you. Okay? So we have to find the principal. This will be homework. 9th question. Understand? Do it. Okay? Homework. So next question 10th is right. So 10th is also homework, right? So that is same way, just it is 2.5 years. For this 2.5 years, what you have to do is 2.5 years will be 5 by 2. So 5 by 2, if it goes to that side, it will be reverse. Okay? So it will be 2 by 5. So multiply with 2 by 5. Understand? Yes? Or you can take it as I have done here. Or you do it like this and you will get the answer. Okay? Principle. This method you follow this method, and then you will get the answer easily. Okay, so principle here, principle is what? Simple interest to 100 divided by what? TR. So do this method, you will get the answer easily. Okay, got it? Okay, this will be also homework. Okay, next if you go to the 11th question, what is the 11th question? A sum of fetched interest in what is the sum? Same question. Principal they are asking for the 11th question also. So this will be homework for you. So answer is option D. Do it as a homework. Okay, got it? So let us see next 12th question. What is the find the sum of money? Same question. 12th is also same. Principal you have to find. This will be homework. Okay na? Got it? Next. Yes, do it as a homework. Next, let us go to 13th question. So what is the question? Find the rate of interest. They are asking rate to find. So we'll do these type of questions tomorrow. Okay? Okay, good.